Did you know Velcro was inspired by burrs? In 1941, Swiss engineer George de Mestral took his dog for a walk in the woods and noticed burrs clinging to his clothes. Intrigued by this natural phenomenon, he studied them under a microscope and discovered their unique hook and loop structure. This led to the creation of Velcro, which he patented in 1955. Initially met with skepticism, it soon found its way into everyday life, revolutionizing everything from fashion to aerospace. Imagine astronauts using Velcro to secure their tools in zero gravity. By the 1960s, it became a staple in clothing, shoes, and even medical devices. Today, Velcro is synonymous with convenience, proving that sometimes nature holds the key to innovation. So next time you use Velcro, remember, this simple invention is a testament to the wonders of nature and human ingenuity working hand in hand